Students, I welcome you all on Rishikul Online Classroom, the best platform for providing online education to students. I welcome you again. Students, this is module number 3 and in this module we are discussing about the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind that has been taken from your textbook Beehive. Let's go to the next slide and see. Students, in the previous module, we have discussed that in 1905, Einstein published a paper of special theory of relativity and came out with the formula E is equal to mc square, that is energy is equal to mass multiplied speed of light square. This theory of Einstein gained worldwide acclaim. By this time, Einstein had got married to Mileva and had two sons. However, the marriage couldn't continue for long, and after their divorce in 1919, he married his cousin Elsa. He rose to international fame by publishing his general theory of relativity in 1915. Einstein's findings were proclaimed as a scientific revolution and he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He emigrated to America in 1933 when the Nazis came to power in Germany. Students, rest of the chapter will be discussed in the next slide. So let's move to next slide. Students, in this slide we shall come to know that after 5 years, American physicists became upset at the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin. They were afraid that Nazis could build an atomic bomb with this discovery. Einstein wrote a letter to the then American President Franklin D. Roosevelt regarding the massive destructive power of nuclear bomb. This letter had a serious impact and the Americans secretly prepared their own atomic bomb which they dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. He was shaken terribly by this inhuman act. He was totally upset and decided to write another letter to the United Nations. What did he write in that letter will be discussed in the next slide. So students, let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall come to know that Einstein wrote a letter to the United Nations proposing the formation of world government. But this letter didn't have any impact. However, over the rest of his life, Einstein championed the cause of peace and democracy. He had earned fame for being a scientific genius and a world citizen by the time he died in 1955 at the age of 76. He was the torchbearer for the peace and democracy in the whole world. This was the brief summary of the chapter. Rest of the things like title, questions and answers will be discussed in the next modules. So wait for the next modules. Keep watching the modules. Thank you.